In this video, we will show you how to use the Power Dialer in VoIP Business to call your leads faster and more efficiently without dialing numbers again and again. To get started, go to the main dialer screen and click on Settings. From the Settings menu, select Power Dialer and open the main settings. Now, click on Create List. A pop-up window will appear. Enter a list name according to your requirement. Next, select the team members or users you want to assign calls to. After that, upload your lead file in CSV or XLSX format containing the phone numbers. Map the fields correctly. Select the number column for phone numbers and the name column for contact names. Click Next and you will see a preview of your number list. Confirm by clicking Yes. Your calling list will now be saved successfully. To start calling, go to the right side panel, click on the Power Dialer icon, and then click the Call icon. That's it. Now you don't need to dial numbers manually. Using the Power Dialer, you can quickly and smartly call multiple leads in less time.